Hello friends, today's topic is generic templates, or it is also called as generic programming in C++. A function or a class which works on a different data types. We already know this, right? Let us look at how the template is can be achieved in C++. First of all, you need to include this declaration in your program. While example, I will discuss it. Template, the type name, this is angle bracket less than, and this is a variable name. You can specify a variable name. It could be anything, but you should follow the variable nomenclature. The variable name. Now I have written here T, or instead of this type name you can write class. So there are two ways to declare your template. Now there are two types of a generic template. One is you can make a function as a template, or you can make a class as a template. Let us discuss one example. Like here we have a bubble sort which can accept integer data, which can accept float, which can accept double, right? But for a bubble sort, if I want to apply the sorting algorithm, right, for integer the same logic will be there. For float also I have to write the same logic. But we have heard a function overloading, right? Where in function overloading what we do, the same function name but different data. This is the parameter which are here, there are different parameters like bubble sort, float, the size of array, bubble sort int, and the size of array. So this is what we know, this is function overloading, right? But for the same logic we have to write a different functions for different data type. But can we achieve a single function? Can we write a single function for all the data types? Yes, we can write that, and for that we have a template. So less code, you can say only one single function for all the operations, but it operates on a different data types. So that is what a function to work with the different data types, right? So here the T means at runtime it could be at integer or it can be a float. Clear this part? So that is how the generic template. The class also same thing. Let's say I have a class calculator where we have to perform some function like addition of two numbers, subtraction, multiplication, right? But the data types which are there, they can be a different data type. Yes. So for that also we can replace this int x comma y with what? A generic template name, let's say tx comma y, and now forget about this. Only a single declaration, that is tx comma y. At runtime we can pass any argument, and that we will discuss through a example. So let's look at the example.